We're excited to bring this home to you for sale in Buffalo. It is a very affordable price, well under $200,000, and we have 3 great buyers that this home could be a fit for. The first would be someone who just needs to start out and find a home, and that's your budget, cheaper than $200,000. Secondly, an investor might want to buy this house and add it to your rental portfolio. Thirdly, a buyer might choose this home because you have over half an acre with no HOA telling you what to do. The house itself features a new roof, new air condition, new windows, new paint, new floor. Check it out. It might be something you're interested in, or share it with a friend.